case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1982 Supreme Court of Pennsylvania case Carlino v. Whitpain Investors, the court reinforced the principle that individuals cannot challenge government actions unless they have been specifically harmed. The dispute centered around the construction of an apartment complex on a 47-acre tract of land in Whitpain Township. Appellants Peter and Elizabeth Carlino argued that the driveway permit was issued without adequate preliminary studies, which they claimed endangered public health, safety, and welfare. However, the court ruled that the Carlinos lacked standing to make these claims and that zoning restrictions cannot be controlled by private contracts. Initially filed in the Court of Common Pleas of Montgomery County, the case was transferred to Commonwealth Court, where the complaint was ultimately dismissed. The court held that the appellant's claim against PennDOT failed to state a cause of action and affirmed the dismissal without granting leave to amend pleadings. The court reasoned that since contractually conditioned rezoning lacked viability, the opportunity to amend the complaint was properly denied.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.